Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery technology company China. Here it is new finished 1000 liters model horizontal pedal type mixer for Uzbekistan client, which is used in spice food material mixing industry. For this mixer, the total body make it stainless steel and mill polish for the material contact part. Motors, we use a Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer, connected directly to support the strong power. For the material discharging part, we use a pneumatic flap valve in the middle bottom. The left part is the electricity cabinet. The main components we use is Schneider brand, and for this inverter we use a Delta brand. Let's take a run to see it. The whole mixer make it stainless steel. This is a discharging valve control cylinder. This is a air source connection position. Motor reducer. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. Let's focus on the panel. This is an inverter panel. Delta inverter, voltmeter and meter, speed control accordingly. Mixing start, stop. And also we equipped a jogging switch for the discharging valve open close. Emergency stop button. Okay, now I start it. We can control the speed here. I would like to open the top lid to see inside the situation. You can see that now the mixer is working. Working stable. Now I make it speed up to the max speed. No problem, working stable. What I would like to see that the blue head sensors on the back side, and we can see that on the top is a protection net. First I give it a low speed. What I would like to see is a protection net. Once the protection net removed, the mixer will stop. For example, I remove the protection net a little from the original position, and the blue head sensor will know that the protection net has been removed, and the mixer will stop without any operation on the cabinet. This is for the safety consideration. However, even in the protection net remote situation, we can also drive the mixer by the engine switch button like this. Keep my finger on the buttons, the mixer will work. However, I remove my finger, it stopped. This is the engine switch function. It is the same situation for another side of the top cover. So just now I have made a simple introduction and basic function test for the new finished 5 liters model, 1000 liters model, pedal type mixer for Uzbekistan client. Also we tested the discharging function pneumatic flap discharging valve. Here it is. Now we can see that it's opened, and I close it. No problem. So if you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.